So, triangle. We're given two of the angles, and they want the area. Now, I've gone ahead and filled in this final angle because there's 180 degrees in this triangle. We've used 46 of them here. We've used 75 of them here. That means there are 59 left for the final angle. And now, so if we're going to find the area of this, we need the base. Actually, let me explain. The area of a triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height for that triangle. The base is this 440, so we've got that right off the bat. But we need a height which needs to be in that direction. Now, we can't find that just yet, but if we can get one of these sides, I intend to find PR, I'll just call it X for now. That side is going to help us. You'll see why in a moment. Actually, I'll tell you right now. The plan is, if we cut this triangle in two like this, we get a couple of right triangles. One there, one there. And now if you just look at the right-hand triangle, or sorry, the left-hand triangle, this one, we have a 46-degree angle. We have the height which we want to find, but we need a side to get us started. We can't use the 440 because some of it is over here and some of it is on the right-hand side, so that's no help. But if I can find this side, for instance, then I can work with this left-hand triangle and use it to find H. So, clear that out for a moment. That hasn't happened yet. We'll just say this is X, and we can find it using the sine law. The sine law says X over sine 75, that's this side in the opposite angle, equals 440 over sine 59.
Well, I have one of
Sine 59. So that side X, if you cross multiply, has to be 440 times sine 75 divided by sine 59. So 440 times 75 sine divided by 59 sine. That side is 496 meters long. 496 meters. Okay. That's going to be helpful soon. Now that we have that, we're now focusing on just this red triangle right here. Alright, so we have 46 degrees here. That is good. We have 496 meters, and this is the height that we need to get this problem finished. So, if you're standing on the 46-degree angle, then to you this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. So, sorry, uncontrolled zooming. There we go, that's what I wanted. Opposite to hypotenuse, we can write that sine 46 equals the opposite side over the hypotenuse, which is 496. So the height should be 496 times sine 46, which comes out to 357 meters high. That's the height for our triangle. So, At the very beginning we said to get the area that they're asking for, we need the base and the height. The area is 1/2 times the base, which they gave us, it's 440, times the height, which is 357, and punch some keys on the calculator, and out should come an area. I get 78,540 square meters. Now, I rounded this 496 to the nearest meter. I rounded this to the nearest meter. I probably should not have rounded quite so sharply, so if it turns out that the actual answer is slightly different from this, it's probably just that I didn't round off the same way the book was expecting. Actually, looking at this, they want it to the nearest hundred, so I should hack this off to 78,500 square meters. That's a lot of rounding, really, so now probably this answer will be all right because we've both rounded so much. But if there is a difference, try running it again and don't round anything off. This will be like 495.8 something. Don't round this either. Go all the way to the final calculation and then do your rounding, and you'll get a more precise answer that way.